Every morning is so special for me because I get to spend the most beautiful part of my day with my little one. We play, we laugh, we make so many little memories. But as a mom, I also want to make sure that her delicate skin gets the right care every single day. That's when I choose gentle touch baby head to toe wash. It is pH 5 to 5 balance, just like your baby natural skin pH, which helps maintain skin natural barrier. And what I love is that it's sulfate free and tear free with gentle plant derived cleanser that cleans without being harsh on delicate baby skin. It is also has glycerin, pentanol to help keep the skin feeling soft, smooth and hydrated. So bath time isn't just about getting clean. It's our little bonding time filled with giggles, cuddles and lot of love.